Hello everyone and welcome back to a new tutorials. It's me again Edmund, and for this video I'm going to show you how to improve laptop Windows performance, especially in this Windows 11. On your computer searching bar, search perform, and you can see now the adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click this one, and now can see the performance options and select only for adjust for this performance. So click this one and then click apply and then OK, and that's it guys. And I want to add some other informations how to improve laptops. Number one, uninstall unnecessary software also. That's the first we're going to do, and then limit the programs and startup. Add more RAM to your PC. Check for spyware and viruses, and use these cleanup defragmentations, and consider startup SSD. And that's it guys, and hope you will learn again in this very simple tutorials tips for computer Windows. Thanks for watching, and if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell notifications to update upcoming more tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next vlogs.
Thank you.